And today in this video I will tell you how to create infographic in Canva. So search infographic, the suggested infographic, click on that and you can see many template of infographic here. Choose anyone you want and customize this. Now we add something our brand name here. For example, our shop contact number here. So we go to text and now we use this text. We use infographic here and reduce their size. Okay, then place this here and reduce their size. So it is very easy to create an infographic in Canva. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.